Safely replacing an existing doorbell button is a project that only takes a few minutes. The key is understanding the wiring setup. Here's what you may need, depending on your particular situation. First, to do the job safely, you'll need to turn off the appropriate power switches at the circuit breaker panel box. Once you've removed the old doorbell and freed the terminal wires, you can begin installing your new button. Closely inspect the two wires and use wire strippers to expose more of the low-voltage wiring if necessary. Then, with needle-nose pliers, bend a hook into the end of each wire. Now, hook each wire onto the appropriate terminal and tighten the connections, making sure your new wiring configuration mimics the old one. Once the connections are secure, gently push the unit back into place and secure it to the door frame or wall. Now, you can safely restore the power and test out your new doorbell. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.